Have you ever felt like you are just stretching every dollar, working hard but still feeling stuck? It's like no matter how much you try, there is never enough for the dreams you have, such as paying off that mortgage, saving more, traveling, investing in something that just for you and your family. I have been there. Namaste, I'm Rashmita Patel. I'm originally from Gujarat, now living in Montreal, Canada with my husband and our three daughters. I work full time as a quality system specialist in a pharmaceutical company, and like many, I thought steady job was the key. But after working day in, day out, I was feeling this pressure to make ends meet. Like I was just surviving and not thriving. For over 20 years, I put in my time, my energy, my heart. Yet, I kept wondering, when will things get easier? I saw others traveling, investing, building futures, and I asked myself, is it even possible for me? I prayed for a sign, a change, and that's when I came across a digital business opportunity. It was like God was opening a door. At first, I was skeptical. I had no experience with digital marketing. And I wondered, can I really do this? But something told me to give it a shot. I thought of my daughter, my family future, and I decided to take action. I stepped out of my comfort zone and now I'm a proud digital business owner. I work from home, but most importantly, I have the time, flexibility, and the financial growth that I have been praying for. I'm able to dream of more, a future where we are not just getting by, but this truly living. Isn't it about selling product or stocking up inventory? It's about using social media marketing with a fully automated system that let you work from anywhere, anytime. There is no need to be tech savvy. I wasn't. I will guide you every step of the way, and you will have access to a huge, supportive, global community of people just like us. If you're coachable and if you can spare 2-3 hours a day, if you're ready for something that truly pays off, then this business might be the answer you have been looking for. Imagine paying off that mortgage, saving more, taking those vacation trips, even investing in properties. It's possible and I'm living proof. So take that first step. Register with a valid name and email to watch our free 90-minute webinar. It's all about giving you the chance to see if this business is the right fit for you. And once you are ready, reach out. I will be here to support you. So it's never too late to dream big, to change path, and to start building a life that you truly fulfilling. So if you are ready for a change, join me on this journey. Let's create a future where you don't need to have just get by. You can thrive. See you inside. Bye.